the ADA chart has looked fantastic to start 2023. I really don't know what way to put it besides that, but it has been performing really well, especially compared to the rest of the market. Now, it has been pumping along with the rest of the market, and there's a couple things I'm seeing in the charts that I want to go through with you guys. Now, if we look at it, okay, it has been following this trend line. Okay, this has been playing out basically since the 3rd, right? And apart from breaking below it on the 7th, it really hasn't done that since. It's exploded up, kind of bounced back down, kind of bounced along the trend line, and then, went on to create higher highs. Now, taking a look at the chart here, I do think it's looking a little bit toppy right now. Okay, obviously this is not financial advice. You guys can check this out yourself, but it's definitely looking a little toppy. Okay, it's looking a little weak here. Now, the entire market right now, I do have to say, is going through a little bit of consolidation, which is important. Okay, it's important that these things happen. You don't normally get these explosive tops without some sort of pullback. So that's what we're going through right now. Okay, now there are a couple big levels, hurdles, whatever you want to call them, that it does need to jump above if it wants to continue this move upwards. Now, this 37-cent level is actually a big resistance line. It actually basically came up, touched this, and came back down. If we look back, we can see that this is a level that it's had little struggles with in the past. Same thing with 40 cents. 40 cents would be the next level up from there. You can see that hanging around here. Oop, I moved my line. Whoopsies. Anyways, now what could happen? Okay, there's not a whole lot of real macro factors right now that are going to affect the price. Okay, we obviously know, I'm talking about the whole market in general. Okay, we don't have an FOMC meeting until the very end of the month. We don't have a GDP report until about 10 days from now, 10, 11 days from now. So there's not a lot of things that could drive the market down. And what I thought was very interesting as well is if we look at yesterday was the first day the market actually climbed out of a fearful state in almost a year. We have not seen this in a very long period of time. If you guys want to see what the chart looks like, here it is. So the very last time was April 5th of 2022. So the market has been fearful for a very long period of time. Now, whether it stays up in this range where it's, not fearful, where it's getting to be more neutral, I don't know if that's going to hold. Okay, we may see one of these where it kind of spikes up and then just comes right back down. But there's a lot of ways this chart could play out. I wouldn't be surprised if we came back and tried to retest some of these 31, 32 cent levels right in here, just as kind of another confirmation before a leg up. But, keep in mind, there are still factors outside of like these macro events in the market that could affect the ADA price. Okay, we still have JED that is coming this month. It sounds like that is very, very close. And we also have that sidechain toolkit that's going to get launched. So ADA has some of its own things that could really get the price going again. Whether that'll be the case, obviously we don't know, but things are looking very good for ADA at this point. Could we still see some downside? Could we see, still some lower lows? It's definitely possible. There's a lot of strength in the market right now. There's a lot of people acquiring and, accumulating their positions. And I don't know if that's going to change unless we still have some large outside factors that really suppress crypto further. Like if, for example, we lost, the case, the Ripple versus the SEC, that could be a big one that could send us lower. If for whatever reason some other exchange went down, that could send us lower. But right now, it seems like smooth sailings, at least for the time being. Now, as always, this is not financial advice. Definitely do your own research. This is just what I'm seeing in the charts, in the market at this point. I think we're all happy with where things are at. Again, it's been great to see some green candles to start the year. I think on the daily, ADA's only printed four red candles for the year, so I'll take that, right? But I appreciate you guys as always. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, again, do show your support for the channel. Hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell, stay updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. Hope you guys have a great day, and I hope to catch you in the next one. Take care.